my channel. Today I want to show y'all how to do a waterfall flip. I'm definitely not the creator of this by far. There are plenty of tutorials out there. I like it. I wanted to use it in a journal that I'm creating right now. I've used it before in the past. I think it was with my Moon and Me journal and a wedding album. I have done this technique, and I think it's really cool. You could use it for a place to write up underneath, to put photos, to decorate, you know, just whatever. This is not the one I'm using in my current journal that I'm creating. I can give y'all a little sneak peek of that journal, though I am going to do a whole entire video flip through when I'm done. But this is a design team project for oohlalavintage treasures, and so what I'm doing today is a digital design team project for oohlalavintage treasures. Okay, so I wanted to show y'all this one so y'all could get an idea of what I'm going to do. It works better when it's actually glued down in the book, obviously. But these are Snippets of Love kit. You can find digitals you can find on oohlalavintage treasures website. I will, as usual, leave that link below. And what I did was I printed out 4 of her postcards. I left the back blank. Again, so you can write, decorate, put a picture, whatever you want to do with it is totally up to you. My hands are a mess. I've been doing wax seals and I got the black charcoal stuff on me. Alright, so what you're going to need for whatever, 4 postcards, 4, let me see, where did my other one go? Here it goes. These are obviously different sizes than those, and these are different sizes than each other. You can see how they're stacked. So it really doesn't matter, just 4 rectangle or square or even circle or oval would work, I'm sure. To attach, you're going to need that. And let's see, that's the bottom one. And you're going to need a piece of about 12-inch by 1-inch cutout. And you're going to need another cutout. This is about almost an inch, somewhere around in there, 3/4 of an inch, 1/2 inch, somewhere like that. Strip, that's about what, about 4 or 5 inches in length. Talk right, Marie. I can't. Not today. I'm so stressed. Next Monday, I begin back to work again, and they've changed so many things, and I'm just a bit stressed. All right, so I want my back to be this and not this, so I'm going to attach these onto the front of this. Pull it down. That will be what you'll be able to see, even though we all know that I'm going to decorate that. I'm not going to leave it like that. But you are going to fold this 6 times. Once, and then about 1/2 inch or so up. Twice. I fold it both ways so that's very flexible. 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and 6. You're going to need 6 different folds, about 1/2 inch off a piece in between. Alright, so we are going to skip that bottom. I wish I could see it better. I can't see my folds very well. There it is. We're going to skip this bottom fold, okay? And I'm going to start gluing right here at this fold. I've got my desk covered up because I've got soot on that too, and it's not coming off at the moment, so that does not make me happy. Just be sure not to glue y'all's images together. Really, I'm talking to myself. So y'all see what I'm doing there? If you're not understanding something that I'm doing, you know, as I've stated so many times, let me know. Let me know if you're confused about something or would like to see something more close up or would like a better explanation. I'll be glad to do it. I will go ahead and glue this into the journal as well so that y'all can see it work from inside the journal. Okay. I already decorated my 4 pieces. I love how that turned out. I think it's so pretty. Alright, I'm going to let that dry, and it will only take a minute because this glue dries super fast. While that's waiting to dry, let's go ahead and make our, let me straighten that up. There we go. Go ahead and make our little ring here. Just go fold that over and glue that down. Alright, while we're waiting on that to dry, I want to show y'all something I made today. This was actually made from the Snippets of Love paper as well. I put it into my Cricut and chose a bow, 3D bow, and is that not adorable? I've got no idea what I'm going to do with it, none, but I thought it was adorable, and so yeah, I wanted to share that with y'all. Oh, there's a little piece I missed. Okay, got it tied right there with ribbon because I did not like the brad showing. There's a brad right there that's pulling everything together, and I didn't like that showing. I see a few pieces I need to pull out of there, but I still don't know what I'm going to do with this, but it would be pretty cute on the front of some journal, wouldn't it? Okay. All right. Alrighty. We're going to flip that over, and I am going to glue this, look, the back. Okay? Talking with a needle in my mouth, so. Alright. Y'all give me a minute. I want to make sure that I'm doing this part right. Is that right? Yeah. Okay. Gonna slide that on. Sorry, y'all. I'm feeling the brain fry here. Alright, that glue should be dry. So we're gonna feed that piece into there. Okay, let's flip it over. I'm going to trim off the top piece, only the top tab, not the bottom. Okay. And y'all see there's the little tab still sticking out. That's the one up underneath. What should I decorate it with? I don't know. All right, so I just cut a little piece off of some textiles that I got from Sheila from Boho Daydreams 2018. And do I want to put it vertically or horizontally? Don't want to put it diagonally. Let's see. You know, I think that putting it vertically will give you the message of, you know, pull here more than horizontally will. So let's do that. I like that. really do. All right. Where did my little stick go so that my glue doesn't dry up? Here it is. All right. Let's figure out where I'm going to put this. It's going to be somewhere in here. Could it be right here on the entrance? I'm not done with this entrance, so I'm thinking no. Oh, that's, you know, I think I'm going to put it right there. I am not 100% certain that I am not going to decorate more in here. So I'm just going to put a touch of glue on so that I can decorate around it and do stuff around it if I want to. Sorry, y'all, I was grabbing my glue gun. That's going to allow me to give it that little bit of touch that I'm going to need. My handy dandy trusty glue gun. All right. I'm going to glue it by gluing this. Okay, and just a dot, not gluing the whole entire thing. That is all you're going to glue to that page. Nothing else, otherwise you will not get the flip. All right, I'm gonna let that dry. It'll only be a minute. All right, let's watch the magic. Here's our little pulley. I'll pull it and push it back in. How cool is that? I love it, I love it, I love it. 4 beautiful postcards from oohlalavintage Treasures webpage, and got them all decorated, and you know what? That's just fun to do and beautiful to see. I love it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'm also going to leave the names and YouTube channel links to my fellow design team designers. Don't know what else to call them, friends, co-people for oohlalavintage Treasures. I will have their names and links in the description as well. If you have not already subscribed to these people, they are so talented. Look them up, give them a subscribe. I really think you'll enjoy them. And y'all, thank y'all for stopping by and watching my video, and I hope y'all have a lot of fun making these. Talk to y'all next time. Bye.